we are installing today. It's called JOYDECO Blackout curtain. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the curtain rod together. They all marked with letters A, B, and D. So A goes on the end. First we're gonna get a few B's and put them together. And they just screw in, just like that. Now we have a piece marked A, and that goes on the end right there. And the reason this one is not interchangeable with these is because it has a thread here to put the end piece. Alright, so the curtain rod is put together. This thing is adjustable. You can also set it in place by screwing clockwise to lock, counterclockwise to unlock. So now, first thing we gotta do is we gotta see how high we want the rod to be. So we'll keep about an inch above the floor. That will give us enough. On one side, and then we're going to go ahead and mark the same distance on the other side. I give a bunch of drywall anchors with it, but we don't want to hang it on the drywall. What we want to do, we want to find a stud. And normally, the stud would be on each side of this window, goes all the way down. And there's a beam that goes across, and that beam sits on these studs. Normally, these studs go about 1.5, maybe 2 inches away from the edge of the window opening. So we want to screw our brackets right to that stud. it is.